guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today I am in my master bedroom working on zone cleaning. So zone cleaning is something that I do as part of my cleaning routine. One a week I work in a zone and I do all of the deep cleaning for that zone. So I have 8 different zones in my house. I've done a video on my living room zone cleaning. I do kitchen zone cleaning, dining room zone cleaning, kids' bedrooms, bathrooms, and office and laundry room. Forgot about that one. So I work on one room each week and just do the deep cleaning for those rooms. Really doing dusting, cleaning baseboards, stuff like that, stuff that I may not get to in just a regular cleaning routine, weekly cleaning routine. So today I'm going to show you how I am doing my master bedroom. If you are interested, come along with me. Okay, to begin our zone cleaning in the master bedroom, I'm going to start by decluttering. Now, I did a lot of decluttering the day before, just removing kids' toys and clothes that needed to be put away, things like that. Right now I'm going to declutter the top of the dresser. We ended up putting a lot of stuff up here just to keep it out of the kids' reach. And then once I get everything off of there that doesn't belong there, I'm going to clean it and get rid of all of the dust. Recommend starting from the top of the room and working your way down when you are doing a deep clean. So right here I'm going to be working on cleaning the windows. Normally I would suggest cleaning the window tracks, but I'm not going to worry about doing that today. We will clean the window tracks when we clean the outside of the windows. I'm just going to give the windows a nice clean and clean off the windowsill and just get rid of any dust that has accumulated there. I'm just cleaning any picture frames that are in the bedroom using Windex or your favorite glass cleaner. I do like the Method glass cleaner as well, but I just picked up my Windex for this one. I'm going to go ahead and do all of the picture frames that are right there. And then I'm also going to clean off my nightstand here in a minute with my Method Wood for Good cleaner. That is probably my favorite cleaner for wood. It just smells so good. And yeah, so I'm just, dusting and cleaning anything off. And use my vacuum to clean all of the dust off of my ceiling fan. That's definitely something you want to do when you are doing a zone clean of any room is just to get all of the dust that collects on the ceiling fan gone. My vacuum and the brush attachment to clean off the baseboards. We have white baseboards, as you can see, and those, just collect dust and it shows up. So I just find it handy to use the vacuum and a brush attachment rather than using a microfiber cloth and having to scoot all along the hardwood floor. One of the final steps in cleaning any bedroom is to do the floors. So today I'm just going to vacuum. This floor could use a light mop, but I don't have the time to get to that today. I will probably get to that on another day. But yeah, I'm just going to vacuum any crumbs and junk off of the floor. And the final step of zone cleaning your master bedroom is to make the bed. You did not see me do that because I ran out of battery, but I have nice fresh sheets on the bed and the room is just nice. We keep our bedroom pretty minimal, so I like it that way. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. I will have the links down below for all of my other zone cleaning videos and posts. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.